In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a Royal Bank of Scotland account. Whether you're looking to set up a new current, savings, or business account, I'll guide you through each step to ensure everything goes smoothly and without a hitch. Let's start by choosing the right account for you. Royal Bank of Scotland offers various options that cater to different needs. If you're interested in everyday banking, a current account would be ideal. If saving is your main goal, consider a savings account, and for business needs, they have tailored business accounts. To determine the perfect fit, I'd recommend taking a moment to visit their website or pop into a branch to compare the features of each option. Now that you have a clear idea, let's prepare the necessary documents for your application. You'll need a few key items to verify your identity and address. Make sure you've got proof of identity handy, such as a passport, driving license, or any official UK photo ID. You'll also need proof of address. A utility bill, council tax letter, or bank statement will work just fine. And don't forget to have your date of birth and national insurance number close by, as these will also be required during the process. Once your documents are in order, it's time to decide how you want to apply. You have two options: online or in a branch. For those who prefer the convenience of digital, simply head over to the Royal Bank of Scotland's official website. Find your chosen account type and click the Apply Now button to begin. If you feel more comfortable handling things in person, visit your nearest RBS branch where a representative will assist you with the application. Regardless of the method you choose, completing the application involves filling out your personal details and either uploading your documents online or providing them to the bank personnel if you're at a branch. Be attentive during this step, ensuring all information is accurate to prevent any delays. Verification comes next. Royal Bank of Scotland may require identity verification through online checks, a video call, or an in-person visit to a branch. This step is crucial to confirm your identity and is typically quick and painless. Once your application is approved, you'll receive your account details. This includes your sort code and account number. Keep an eye out for your debit card, as it will arrive by post. Additionally, you'll get login details for online banking, providing easy management of your new account on the go. By following these steps, you'll have your Royal Bank of Scotland account set up in no time. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide has been helpful in simplifying the process.